Hi students, welcome to maths class. In the previous class we have seen some problems of probability. Let us continue that same problems. Same topic problems we will continue. A bag contains, first problem, a bag contains 6 red balls, 8 green balls, 8 green balls and some blue balls and some blue balls. We don't know how many blue balls are there. A ball is selected. A ball is selected from the bag at random. From the bag at random. If the probability of selecting a blue ball is double means 2 times, is double that of a green ball, Find the number of blue balls in the bag. Find the number of blue balls in the bag. Okay? That is the question. What is the question here? A bag contains 6 red balls, 8 green balls and some blue balls. Number of red balls how many? Number of red balls how many? Number of red balls 6. Number of green balls 8 and some blue balls. Number of blue balls B X I am taking. Okay, say we should find the value of X. Total number of balls equal to 6 plus 8 plus X means green. Red, green, blue. That means 14 plus X. Don't say that 14 plus X as 14X. Okay. So, why did I find the total number of balls? Because we have the probability of an event is equal to total number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So here, first we have to find the probability of selecting a blue ball. What is the probability of selecting a blue ball? Is equal to favorable outcomes. How many blue balls we have? X by total will be 14 plus X. Favorable outcomes are X only because blue balls we have X. Next, probability of getting a green ball. How many green balls we have? 8 green balls we have. So favorable case is 8 only because if you pick up one ball, any one of the 8 green balls we may get it, right? So 14 plus X. As per the data, what is the condition here as per the data? Probability of selecting a blue ball is double that of a green ball. That means X by 14 plus X equal to 2 times 8 upon 14 plus X. Is that clear? 2 times of green ball probability. So 14 plus X we can cancel. So x equal to 8 2s are 16. What is x here as per my assumption? Number of blue balls. Therefore, number of blue balls equal to how many? 16. Okay. Next question. All the red face cards, second problem, all the red face cards are removed from a pack of 52 playing cards. 52 playing cards. A card is drawn at random. A card is drawn at random. A card is drawn at random from the remaining cards. From the remaining cards after reshuffling. After reshuffling. After reshuffling them. Find the probability that the drawn card is of red color, a queen, an ace, a face card. That is the question. Okay. So I told you here 52 playing cards are there. In that 26 red, 26 black. In 26 already I told you 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. Here also 13 clubs and 13 spades. Ace, king, queen, jack, 2 to 10. Similarly, ace, king, queen, jack, 2 to 10. Ace, king, queen, jack, 2 to 10. Ace, king, queen, jack, 2 to 10. These are the cards. Now you see all the red face cards are removed. Total number of cards are 52, right? From that red face cards are removed. Red face cards, how many we have? Here 3, here 3. This king, queen, jack, these 6 are removed. So remaining cards, if I removed remaining cards equal to 52 minus 6 red face, all the red face cards are removed. That means 46 will be there, right? 46 cards are there. Now from this 46 cards only I want to pick up what is required. What is first question here? Red color, of red color. Probability of getting a red color card. Red color. Now how many red color cards are there? Total actually red color cards how many? 26 minus already 6 are removed by 46 means 20 by 46. 2 tens, 2 23s. So 10 upon 23. Right? Next second question. Probability of getting a queen. How many queens are there now? Here already 2 queens are gone. So only 2 queens we have. 2 queens by 46. So 1 by 23. Next third one. Probability of getting an ace. How many aces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 aces are there upon 46. No ace is removed here. 2 twos. So 2 by 23. Next. Probability of getting a face card. How many face cards are there now? Here already 6 face cards have been removed. So only 6 face cards are there. 6 upon 46. 2 threes. So 3 upon 23. Got it? Next question. A letter is chosen. Third one. A letter is chosen at random from the letters of the word algebra. Algebra. Find the probability. Find the probability that the letter chosen is first one is consonant, second one is vowel. What is our word here? Algebra. Given word is algebra. How many letters are there? Total number of letters. Total number of letters. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. So total number of possible outcomes 7. So in this how many vowels are there? How many vowels? A, E, again one more A is there. So A, E, A. So that means 3 vowels are there. Number of vowels 3. Consonants. How many consonants we have? L, G, B, R. 4 consonants we have. So what is the first question here? Probability of getting a consonant. How many consonants we have? 4. Any one of 4 consonants we will get. Favorable cases are 4 upon total number of possible outcomes 7. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Probability of getting a vowel is, how many vowels we have? 3 upon 7. You can try this problem. Same model. First one I told you, So question I am writing. A bag contains. Same model. A bag contains 6 red balls and some blue balls. And some blue balls. If the probability of drawing, if the probability of drawing a blue ball from the bag, a blue ball from the bag is twice that of a red ball. That of a red ball. You can try this. Find the number of blue balls in the bag. Find the number of blue balls in the bag. So you can try this. This answer is 12. 12 blue balls you should get. Okay? We will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.